Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Meizu 16th, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. Click for the application from the Lutin developer, Launcher iOS 14 Beta. Click install. And right now just open it. Click allow 3 times and tap on the home button. Right now we have to go for the settings and go for the apps. Click on the default, and here we have to go for the home screen and select the iOS launcher 13. Click on the home button, and here we get the notification. So let's click on the we got it, and as you can see here we got our iOS launcher on the Meizu 16th. We can also try to adjust this bar at the bottom and also add some widgets. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.